In this membership, you will learn to build what we call the Perpetual Internet Traffic Machine. On the Internet, there's essentially two ways to drive traffic to your website. You can either purchase that traffic, or you can drive traffic to your website through search engine visibility and rankings and social network exposure. In this chart, we focus on driving traffic to your website through search engine visibility and rankings, as well as social media exposure, to produce what we call a perpetual internet traffic machine. What you're looking at is a proven system that gives you ever-increasing search engine exposure automatically, and it also places your content in front of as many eyeballs as possible through social media content syndication. Once this process is built, there are essentially two chores that you need to complete to continue the motion of the perpetual internet traffic machine. Number one is the posting of quality content to your central interactive hub, and the second is to syndicate that content through content syndication. Content syndication is the act of taking content that you publish on your central hub and extend the reach of that content to your direct social networks and to other networks in which you're not directly involved. The act of doing this gives your good content the chance to be seen by as many eyeballs as possible so that the viral spread of your content can be initiated in the first place. One of the biggest problems in internet marketing is the successful syndication of content that you place out on the internet to drive traffic to your website. Through content syndication, through social media channels, your content has the ability to reach more people faster that are within your target audience. And the act of content syndication also works to increase your search engine visibility through multiple search engine listings for single keyword terms. You'll get exponentially higher search engine visibility and traffic due to the fact that your social network content syndication creates multiple references in the search engines for your content. And all of this, of course, leads to traffic leading towards your central hub from both sides of the equation. In addition to content syndication on this side, another benefit that happens automatically is as you produce new content on your central hub or website, you'll also gain rankings in the search engines for that content. And then as you work to syndicate content on this side of the equation, you will build social buzz that surrounds your content. And the search engines are paying attention to social buzz. So a side benefit of this is the fact that as your social buzz increases on this side, your search engine rankings will increase on this side. And both, of course, lead more and more targeted traffic towards your central hub. So once you build this process, all you're focusing on is posting quality content to your central hub as chore number one, and then syndicating your content through social media channels as chore number two, and all of the rest happens automatically. All of this works to build inbound links from social networking platforms to your central hub. And because your visibility is growing within the social networks, you'll also be picked up and gain natural inbound links from others in your industry that also link to your central hub. Building inbound links to your website has always been a problem in internet marketing, and this simple system solves that problem. By now, everybody knows that the search engines pay attention to inbound links to determine how highly you rank in the search engines. Now there's another element in play, and that's the social buzz factor, which is on this side. And this also drives search engine rankings. So as you work to syndicate your content, you'll also drive up search engine rankings on this side of the equation. This is a perpetual and ever-increasing cycle on both sides that works to constantly deliver new, fresh, targeted traffic to your central hub. And of course, your central hub works to deliver new prospects to your sales funnel process. So by focusing on two chores, you successfully build what we call the perpetual internet traffic machine that delivers new, fresh, quality traffic to your central hub from two different sides of the internet marketing equation.